So hi everybody, my name is Sonia
Sanjay
and this is Bias.
and Unbiased.
Aki karibuni tena, we love you. We love you for coming back again and for choosing us over and over and over again. So today we will be discussing something. Sanjay here, so online. So okay. Basically, we'll be giving our 2 cents on it. It's about un, unplanned pregnancy. So should I read them or you will read?
Read for us.
Okay, so this is what they asked. I'm a 23-year-old software engineer. Last December, I met a hot chick in a matatu. We connected quickly and started dating. Unfortunately, despite using birth control, we ended up in an unplanned pregnancy situation. She's already informed her family, so termination isn't an option. Over the past few months, I've come to know her better and truly value her qualities. She's a really good soul. While she while she wants to get married, I feel overwhelmed, rushed, and unprepared for such a big step. I'm committed to supporting her financially and preparing for the baby's arrival. However, I'm struggling with the decision of marriage. I don't want to hurt her feelings, but I'm unsure if I'm ready for that level of commitment. I am due to meet with his father at an upcoming family function, which I'm invited, and I anticipate to him to ask, "Oh, what are your plans with our daughter?"
Oh my goodness.
Those with baby mamas or been in unplanned pregnancy situations before. I need your advice. So, okay, this is so heavy. What's your advice for this person?
Okay. Um let me just say it's a very sticky situation.
I know.
Already he said that he thinks this girl is a good girl.
Yes.
She's a good person. It's just that he's not
Ready to commit.
And there's something else he said there. This okay, first of all, both of them they had not planned what
Yes, it
happened.
was really not planned.
Like ni ile wenye unasemanga, unajua kitambo I used to think when you say it was an accident, I didn't think that it will ever be like for real, like there's ever such a thing as an accident. But then later you come to realize it's true.
It's true, there are
Accidents
accidents.
happen.
Yes, because if you don't have like a normal birth control, like the prescribed one, and then you're depending on an pill, if you're using it during ovulation,
It will
trust
not
me,
work.
you. Oops, oops, honey. Oops, oops, oops.
It does not work.
It will not work.
Also, CDs are usually 97%. Plus they can break, they can come off.
But
Like,
see, unaona, like I feel like using a CD is actually more or better than using an pill, especially when you're ovulating.
yes, it's better, but still it's not 100%. It's actually written on the pack. Like
It's not 100,
100%.
but it's okay. It's actually way safer.
Yes,
than
it's safe. It's safe, yes. But I'm saying there are some situations where it can break. So that's I'm trying to put it in a situation like an accident can happen even when you use it.
Even when
Yeah. So now, okay, the good thing about it is at least they both agree on keeping the child.
No, they both did not agree on
Oh,
keeping
the girl decided to tell the family.
Yes, the girl told the parents, so termination was not an option.
Not an option. Okay, but he does not seem bitter about it.
No, he is confused.
Okay, he's not confused about the child. That's
no,
the good thing.
Not about the child. It's about marriage or moving in with the girl.
So that's why I'm saying the good side of it is that he's not confused about the child. He's just confused about the marriage part, which has been caused by this child.
Yes. So what's your advice?
So my advice is I don't think you should ever use a child as a reason to be in a relationship.
No, he basically wants to be in a relationship with a girl. He values her qualities.
Yes, he values them, but he's not ready.
He is not ready for marriage.
Exactly.
So
they can try a relationship and see if it works. But marriage, I don't think they should really go for marriage. And it's so nice to see the perspective of a guy. Most times we usually see when a girl gets pregnant, she's the one out here saying, I got pregnant, he does not want to marry me, my parents want him to marry me. Now it's a perspective of the guy,
Of
like
the guy.
what goes through a
man's
man's mind when he finds out a girl is pregnant unexpectedly.
And actually, this guy really likes the girl. But,
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like my advice would be the baby is here already, so we cannot really go back to why are you having sex and you're not married.
Yeah, we can.
As a Christian, I am. So I really cannot go back
to
that.
Go there. Yeah.
I cannot go there, and I cannot go there to like, oh, you should have blah blah blah. We are past that. So we are into, no, there's this baby coming. What do I do? I, as a person, I feel rushed, I feel unsure, and I feel like it's a very big step. Considering this guy is 23.
Yeah.
This is a small
it's a young
baby.
boy.
Yes, he does not know anything. He's trying to figure out life. Maybe he might be financially stable.
Or maybe he's even in school, we don't know.
Amesema
he's working.
Soft engineer.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Or at least he has a job.
He is a soft engineer. Maybe he has money from the engineer career, but marriage is a big step. I feel like they can both stay independently, continue with the relationship as they learn to know each other better. And then when they feel like, see, there are people, I have someone at work who they had a baby way before, and then 10, 12 years later, I don't really know, we are not close. 10, 12 years later, they get married. So you see, so I think by now, both of them, they are grown, they are mature, they've experienced life outside each other. And by the end of the 10, 11 years, they've actually realized we are meant to be. This is what we really want.
Yeah.
So they're not doing it
rushed
on the, we have a baby, we need to get married. You should never get married because of a baby, regardless of whether you love this person. If you're not sure, marriage is a big step. If you're not sure, don't. If you feel like an ounce of doubt, don't.
I am trying to look for that post because there are some other topics that were brought up in the comments. Like there was something about how this girl, of course she's also very young, how she will get stigmatized in society. You see how people stigmatize, like
you're getting a baby outside
moms.
Yes,
they're like, oh, you couldn't keep a man, that's why you're single, why did you open your legs? Well, you, like, yes, both of them, they have that responsibility, but the girl has it tougher than the guy.
But then again, it's better. I, as a girl, if I was in the situation, I'd rather bring up my baby alone than rush into marriage, because that's how I'll get double stressed. Yeah. When I'm like single and the baby of my father is present, that's fine.
The baby of my father.
Oh, the father of my baby. The father of my baby is present.
Yeah.
Then we can navigate life together, or regardless of whether it leads us. So if it leads us to marriage, fine.
Yeah.
If it leads us to separate way, fine. I'll not even be bitter. As imagine uko na mtu 20, basically maybe the girl is
22, 19, you don't know.
We don't know. So imagine, apana.
I found it.
No, that is a small baby. Apana. They shouldn't. The guy shouldn't, for his own sake. I don't think he is ready. Do you think he is ready?
I don't think he should do it personally. Because his dilemma here is about marriage. Don't marry someone. Don't marry a person because you want to be a good person.
I know.
Because I know that's what is disturbing him. He does not want to be a bad person, since this girl is a good person.
Yes.
Don't marry someone just to be a good person.
I know. Preach, girl. Preach, sister. Preach.
Yes, I know we are girls, and
In a car
obviously
selfish.
we can understand from the girl's perspective how it may feel. We know it will be tougher for her.
Yes.
She will have a bigger responsibility. You know her, when she gets the baby, maybe she'll have to, if she's going to school, she'll have to stop. Even if she's working, she'll have to stop at some point and take care of the baby. Maybe
Not really stop,
like
but
take a break. And you know, for example, if she's not in a permanent job,
yes,
trust
they
me,
don't pay
she
you
will lose you
the
she will
job.
lose the job.
She might lose it. Some
Yeah,
employers are good.
some are good, but most are not.
Most are not true.
Unless she has like a permanent job, maybe,
Or are co-employed in a company
yeah,
that
a good
actually,
company.
yes, actually recognize leave days,
Yeah,
maternity leave,
and all that.
yes.
If she has a good employer, a good
Ama
a
ako tu
good
anafanya
stable
kazi
job,
corporate,
yeah,
basically all corporates recognize or
yeah. And then, you know, maybe she is also at risk of something like postpartum depression.
hata kama she's married, she can still get it.
Yes, but now she'll go through it alone when
No,
they don't get
the
married.
guy is present. The only thing that the guy does not want is marriage. He's not saying he will not be
But you see, they were not
present.
in a relationship. They just met and hooked up, and it
No,
went the way
like
it went. So now
amesema
he
as
has
they
started
knew,
to know her now.
and I appreciate the qualities.
Yeah, he appreciates her, but still he's not ready
He's not ready
for
for
a
marriage.
commitment. Yeah, like marriage.
Ako ready for. I think he is ready to be
He's
in a
ready to
relationship.
be in the life of the girl.
In the relationship, but marriage, and I feel it's not like he will not marry her maybe later in life or as they go, but anaona kumuoa, that is where
itakuwa tricky.
I think also mimi by the come like looking at it from a girl's perspective, I feel like yes, and imagine like I really like you, I'm carrying your baby, and you don't want us like you don't want us to move in or like get married, and I'm really ready because that is why I'm introducing you to my father.
Yeah,
you know,
of course she wants more, and he doesn't want to be like that.
I think mimi like this guy chenye tu anafaa fanya ni akuwe tu point blank, I really want us to do this, but I think we can try and navigate it separately, and then as we find our path,
yeah, we'll see if we are a good match.
But
yes, but don't forget, I am not going to be outside the child or the child's life,
and I'm not saying I'll be absent from your life. I'll be present in your life, in our baby's life. I want us to learn to know each other better, because we just met, and marriage is a very big commitment. And then they can also seek therapy. Why are you not saying that? They can actually go to therapy, and then
have a third party. Therapy will not help.
No, like unajua when they're in therapy, unajua watambua this is a professional, and then the girl ataanza kufunguka macho juu saizi ako clogged in, I have a baby with you, I really like you, yes, because that is the reason. Unajua if this girl was unsure with the guy, hata hange rush kuambia hata wazazi she's pregnant, na hange rush kumuinvite
to a family gathering.
Yes, aone wazazi. So this girl
wants this guy. That's the conclusion.
Yes, he actually wants her, na tuseme tu ako na ball, yes, but sister, think wakienda therapy, wote wawili wakiongeleshwa, kila mtu wazaenda couple therapy, then they can all talk, see what their
options are, and see how they will navigate it, if this relationship will work, if maybe it can turn into marriage, and how, you know, also that thing of co-parenting. Yes, he wants to be present in the child's life, but co-parenting is hard.
Very hard,
especially for young people. Let's say maybe she's like 20, 21. Of course, huyu mtoto atapata.
Yes.
And she will want to go back to her
normal life.
Like she wants to go out, she wants to hang out with her friends, and she'll feel maybe I don't want to stay with this child, where can I end out? And then maybe for him, maybe job and everything, he might not have the capacity to stay with the child.
Yes.
So I think therapy could be really beneficial.
Very, very, because unaona hapo hata anaweza mwambia maybe we can consider it, but maybe we can, unajua akimwambia direct I don't want us to get married, inaweza kuwa it's hard for the girl.
Yeah.
He can go the easy way and tell her maybe we can, yes, I think we can, yes, I'm considering your option and I would really like to get married to you. Hata kama not right now, but maybe we can seek therapy and see how it goes. See if you're really ready to get married. If you're ready, then that's fine. If you're not ready, then we can navigate it together.
Yeah.
As we find a common ground.
Yeah.
Unajua? So hamwambii no. Anamwambia just a soft no.
Yeah.
Which will at least, unajua kishamwambia no, maybe hata msichana anaweza cut off.
Yeah, she will not understand the reason. Because she said she wants to get married. She doesn't want this child to grow up without her dad. But if he tells her directly, like, no, I don't want marriage, she might get it the wrong way.
The wrong way, yes.
Yeah. So anyways, guys, what do you think?
Yes, what is your input, guys? What do you think? If, and also these aspects of people getting pregnant to keep a man.
Yeah, it doesn't work. You can only keep a man who wants to
be kept. Yes, you cannot keep a man who does not want to be kept.
Yeah.
And if a man wants to be in your life, they're very vocal about it.
Yeah.
As atakama not in words, how they treat
Actions.
You, they'll tell you this guy. Utaona tu ako protective with you, because men are protector in nature.
Yeah.
They want to sacrifice. They want to provide.
Yeah.
You know,
for a man,
that is the nature of a man.
Loves you. Yani, you can tell if a man loves you within 2 weeks.
Yes. 2 weeks ni more.
2 weeks ni mingi. Tuseme hata 1 week.
Yes,
you can tell. And you can tell a man wants to marry you within 2 months.
True. So I mean, like, just give yourself 3 months. Yeah. That's fine. But you will know, you'll actually meet someone today and you actually realize this is what I really want. And that's it.
Yeah.
You don't have to, like, maybe I cannot date a man for over 1 year.
Yeah, you know,
that is wastage of
even
time.
2 years. When you pass the 2-year mark with this guy not trying to show you like he wants to commit, like he's not taking you to his family, he's not telling you let us do this together, girl, just if you're looking forward to marriage,
2 years
2 years
2 years ni mingi.
It's not going to work.
2 years ni mingi, my sister.
Ushaisikia watu wakisema I've been in this relationship for 5 years. And then the worst thing is these people who have been in like relationships for a long time, waki break up na this guy, like unasikia like hata 1 year haijaisha, the guy is marrying someone.
Exactly. But it happened like that. A man will know. A man will meet you and tell you this is the person. Ata introduce to everybody.
Yeah.
This is my girlfriend. This is my girlfriend. This is my wife.
Yeah.
1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and that's it.
Yeah.
Do not, my sister, especially sisi, when you're tunaelekea that. Do not even try to date a man for over 1 year if you're below 25. That's fine, because you're still young to get married. But hata kama you're below 25, miaka hairudi nyuma. You will sit around and think, oh, by 25 I'll get married. By 25 wapi? Ulisikia wapi? If you're below 25, don't be with a person who you're not clear of their intentions.
Yeah.
If they're unclear, please let them go so that you can actually be free to meet someone who have clear intentions with you.
You know, guys make jokes about ladies when they ask them, Ati, what are we? But that question is like really important.
Yes.
Umeka 2 years na mtu. And then
yes,
you're not even
2 years.
What are we doing?
2 years. You guys are patient. Me too. 1 year. 1 year. 1 year without clear vision of where we are going, bro, I'm done. No. Yeah. 6 months. After 6 months, like
utaanza kuona signs.
After 6 months, ni mingi. 3 months, you'll actually know this is someone
what
spending
is this
time
relationship leading to.
Yeah. 3 months.
Yeah.
3 months is enough to know, like, is this something I will pursue?
Yeah, sure.
If this maybe I have been like, someone asked me out, and then 2 weeks later, I'm really excited. He is amazing. He looks nice. He butterflies me.
Oh Lord.
And then I'm like, oh my god, oh my god. Then I go home, I tell my friend, oh, I met this guy. Hey, what's I'm going to I have a pet name already for this guy. 2 weeks into it, I'm like, sister,
Delulu.
The guy, actually, the problem was not the guy. The guy is intentional. This is someone who wants us to work out. This is someone who actually like really was really in love with me. I can assure you that. But 2 weeks into like into meeting this person and knowing him, because it was like love at first sight, because I actually liked him. The same day to Lipatan, I'm like, oh my god, who is that hot guy? Who is that hot daddy? So nisinona mimi niko he asked me out. I don't think twice. I actually know I like him. Why am I wasting time? Hey, and then 2 weeks into it, no, actually realize, see some character of him that is really a turn off for me. So I'm like, I'm telling him, I don't think I think we rushed into this. Can we like just get to know each other before we actually define the relationship? And then I was like telling him, maybe Sinona already tulikuwa labeled girlfriend and boyfriend, because I was actually dating him. Within like a week of meeting him, I was sure I like this guy. We're in a relationship. And then 2 weeks into being in a relationship with him, I'm like, no, bro. So tell him, no, we can wait, or like not define it. And he's like, no, blah blah blah. I know we can work this out. Oh, blah blah blah. Did work? Am I married? No, sis. Did it work? No, bro. So
you can know.
And
it's good when you decide early before it gets too deep.
Lia kidogo kuliko. The more you stay, the more the tears. The more you stay, the more the healing process.
The heartbreak.
The more you stay,
it will be shattered into pieces.
The more you're damaged. Leave Saizi. If you're unsure about that man, please leave.
Yeah, and don't try to get pregnant to keep a man, girl. It don't work.
There's no work. It will never work.
Yeah.
A man will keep himself. A man keeps himself. He tells you, he shows you, I want to be in your life, and he means it. Just that. Bye for now. See, it's bye.
Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Please tell us, what do you think? And see you next time.
We love you.
We love you.
Bye.